over the weekend, I've been making some really good gains with a project called MoonSwap. And this morning, I just want to share that project with you guys so that you know what is available and you know the potential earnings that you can get. Good morning, everybody. Now, a lot of people have said to me, it's probably irresponsible to share these type of projects with the community because they are such high risk. I disagree with that. There's no reason that I shouldn't be sharing projects with you where you have the potential to earn huge amounts of money. Now, if you do not have a big risk appetite or you are concerned about losing your money, stay away from this project because it is extremely high risk. But just because it's high risk, I feel that that is not a reason to hold the information or withhold the information. In other words, trying to play the role where I decide what information goes out there. No, I believe that information should be freely shared and everyone should have the prerogative to make up their own mind. Okay, guys, I guess what you can understand and hear that I'm saying is don't get involved in this if you're new to the space, if you're new to DeFi. If you are well versed in DeFi and you're looking for projects that can bring you insane returns and you know a little bit about the crypto space, this is certainly a project for you. I personally have invested a large amount of money in this project and I am enjoying some really, really good returns. So let's get straight onto it. MoonSwap. Now, MoonSwap is a project that is trying to suck the liquidity out of Uniswap. And what they are doing is they are going to be starting an Ethereum-based exchange which has very low or potentially no gas fees. In other words, they are trying to improve on the biggest decentralized exchange that is out there. And what they are doing to get to that point is trying to suck the liquidity out of Uniswap by offering us huge incentives to get involved with the MoonSwap protocol. First, we're going to start looking at the price of it's not Uniswap, it's MoonSwap. There is a difference. First, we're going to look at the price of the coin. At this stage, it's trading at $5.57 per coin. And if we have a quick look at the chart, you'll be able to see that it has dropped quite dramatically. It came out on the 12th of September at a price of around about $9, and we hit an all-time high of $11.92, and it's been slipping ever since. We've hit a low of $4.62, and today, as you can see, it's trading at about $5.70. Now, what I want to show you is the percentage yields that you can get from this coin. So if we click on the Starship button, there's of course several pools that you can invest in. This pool has a 48x. So it is much higher than all the other pools. And the reason for that is because they want to try and encourage people to buy the Moon token and put it on Uniswap, get liquidity and invest it. But we'll get onto that in a second because this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do it. But traditional finance, if you're looking at your financial advisor, they might be giving you investments where you can expect to make anywhere from about 10 to 25% annually, and that would be considered a very good return in traditional financial markets. Here, and this is just absolutely insane, guys, and I don't think it'll be around for forever or not even for a long time. We're talking about days, possibly weeks, but who knows? No one really knows because this is a social experiment. So we're looking at returns of over 4,000% annually. Annual percentage yield, 4,000%. So if we click on the farm button, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get into this pool and how you can start earning. You need to have liquidity tokens. You get the liquidity tokens from Uniswap. This pool is a Uniswap LP pool. So you have to have Moon plus Ethereum, and it has to be in a 50-50 ratio. So in other words, if you have $1,000 of Ethereum, you would need to have $1,000 of Moon tokens, and you would have to put them into Uniswap. So if you can click here at the bottom, it will take you to a site which is Uniswap, where you can start looking at staking. I've actually just shortcutted that. So here is, okay, let's go through it. You get to the site and then you would click add liquidity. Now, it typically will always ask you to approve the site's interaction with your MetaMask wallet before you can go ahead. But if you were going to put in, let's say 10 Moon tokens, you would have to put in 0.14 Ethereum. Now, just a warning with guys that want to invest small amounts into these type of protocols, you need to really look at the Ethereum fees because the fees are substantial. So you would need to have at least a couple of Ethereum and at least the same value in Moon coins before you could actually start staking and for it to be viable. If you've got 1-2 Ethereum, this is not really going to work very well because it would take you such a long time to recover the fees that you're running a greater risk of actually coming out in a negative position after doing that. But I would say anything from sort of 3 to 4 Ethereum upwards and the same amount of Moon tokens, you can start actually getting involved and earning some really, really good returns from this protocol. So let's get back to it, guys. What you would do is you would buy an amount of Moon tokens, and you can get these Moon tokens on the Uniswap exchange. It's very easy to buy. We've gone over that in some of the previous tutorials, but get into Uniswap, buy your Moon tokens. You can buy them with XR, you can buy them with Ethereum, you can buy them with DAI, which you've loaned. There's many opportunities. Then match that with a 50% amount in dollar value of Ethereum, and you would add your liquidity. Now, once you've added your liquidity to Uniswap, you will be given LP tokens, and that's basically tokens that say they are like promissory notes, and that is how Uniswap knows that you've invested or you've added this liquidity to the protocol. Once you have those liquidity tokens or the LP tokens, you can come here. You would once again approve it after the approval process has taken place, and you would be paying fees for that. You could then stake it. Now, once you've staked it, you are going to see your Moon earned, and it happens within a couple of seconds. And the nice thing about the Moon that you've earned, every sort of 15 seconds, which is in line with the Ethereum blocks, you will see that figure going up. There's a lot of people that are earning 100 plus tokens per day. Some guys even earning more than that. In my opinion, that is investing inappropriate or irresponsible amounts into this protocol. But those guys that are willing to take those huge risks are, of course, seeing the huge returns. Now, I, of course, am also getting Moon tokens on a 15-second basis, so my total is climbing. And what I do, of course, is every day or every 2 days, I will cash out those Moon tokens and convert them into Ethereum. That way, I just feel safer because obviously Ethereum is a coin that I'm very bullish about over the long term, and I will continually take my Moon tokens out, convert them to Ethereum. Of course, the risk there is that if the Moon tokens do spike and the price becomes very high, I will have lost out. But the other side of that is, of course, that if the Moon tokens drop, I will have my Ethereum, and I am basically taking my profits off the table, putting them into Ethereum. And who knows how long these amazing returns can last. Now, guys, this project has been audited by Slow Mist, which is a smart contract auditing firm. So we know that we are reasonably safe from contract exploits or hacks. And that is one of the reasons that has made me feel comfortable investing a considerable amount of money into the MoonSwap protocol. And every day as I enjoy these returns, of course, it's very, very addictive. I just want to put that warning out there. You see these returns, you're earning, $10, $15, $100 per hour. There's nothing that can beat that. And this type of DeFi project that is happening right now, I don't know how long it's going to last. So when you guys go to buy the Moon token, make sure that you get the correct one. If you go onto CoinGecko, type in Moon, you can find the contract right over here. This is the contract that you would put into the Uniswap exchange to make sure that you are buying the correct token. Guys, the DeFi space, like the crypto space, like life, unfortunately, is filled with scammers and people that are trying to scam you out of your money. So make sure that you know what you are doing and that you are using the right contracts, buying the right Moon tokens, staking them on Uniswap, using those LP tokens, putting them into the Moon protocol and enjoying those amazing returns every day. Guys, I hope that if you do get involved in this, that we'll be able to get these returns for at least a couple of weeks, if not a couple of months, and this will help boost your portfolio. Once again, a warning: if you are not comfortable or you do not have the risk appetite for these highly risky protocols, just stay away from them, because a lot of people have said to me, what's the guarantee with this type of thing? And it's a very important point. The guarantee is none. There is no guarantee. Make sure that you're comfortable with the funds that you're putting in there and you're comfortable to lose 100% of those funds. Now, guys, I hope you enjoy this type of content. I hope you enjoy these step-by-step tutorials. It's not very difficult. Get it out of your head. A lot of people say this DeFi stuff is so complicated. It's simply not. If you get involved, if you take it step by step, these projects are basically repeating the same process over and over again. You stake on Uniswap or you stake on one of the decentralized exchanges, you get the liquidity tokens, and then you take them to the new protocol and you earn these sick gains. Guys, that's it from me. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It really helps to spread the word and to get it out there. I'm out.